NixOS, May 2024, with Enlightenment window manager. So previously this had been tested, but I had tested it with SDDM because I didn't want to run the unmaintained LightDM, but that seemed a little unfair. Because generally what would be ideal is if you're running the defaults of what the distribution suggests. That's what they recommend since they chose the default. So where is that ranked now that it's been benchmarked with LightDM? And here we go. It's a window manager. I believe it may be also considered a desktop manager or a desktop environment, but I think it seems more like a fully featured window manager because
The mind police don't lick and catnip.
I would consider it a desktop environment if you could swap out the window manager, but the window manager is everything here. If you swap that out, I don't think you have anything left. So, Enlightenment window manager. It is it is more traditional if you run it and see how it appears. It looks a little old-fashioned, but the performance that you get for it might be worth it for you. It's not running Wayland, so that's not great. And since NixOS, for whatever reason, has decided that the default display manager for Enlightenment should be LightDM, which Canonical has not maintained for 2 years, that's what you get. Since it's just the display manager, you can swap this out. But for the resource usage, 211 megs is not bad. That's pretty good. As far as for a desktop environment, not bad. But if you're just considering it a window manager, this is not good. This is the highest. It seems to offer more than other window managers, so this is all, I guess, it depends on where you're coming from. The system load, 0.2, not bad. And since it is NixOS, it's using 5 gigs, which is not good. And then 13-second reboot time. Not good, but not the worst. If you're an Enlightenment fan, which operating system do you run this on if it's not on NixOS? This is the only one I'm aware of that runs it that we've tested so far. It's not as bad as any of these, but there you go. Enlighten, reboot. Snappy shutdown. We got log output. We're back to the grub menu, and we have 5 seconds on the clock. And more log output. But the best part, we've gone way back. We've gone too far.